What's your why? This question isn't just about our day-to-day tasks or responsibilities. It's about the deeper purpose that propels us forward, that keeps us resilient in the face of challenges, and ultimately defines the legacy we leave behind. Discovering and nurturing this purpose is not just a personal journey. It's a profound responsibility we owe ourselves and those around us. When we uncover our why, we uncover a source of limitless potential and inspiration. Each one of us has a unique reason, a powerful driving force that gets us out of bed each morning with determination and passion. It's the reason we strive, we push boundaries, and we dream big. But have you ever truly explored what your why is? Your why is more than just a statement. It's the core of who you are and what you stand for. It's the reason you commit to your goals, no matter how daunting they may seem. Your why is your anchor in the storm, your source of motivation when doubts creep in, and your guiding light when the path ahead seems unclear. For some reason, your why might be rooted in a desire to create a better world for future generations, to leave behind a legacy of progress and positive change. For others, it could be unwavering commitment to your loved ones, to provide for them and ensure their happiness and security. Your why could be deeply personal, a dream you've had close to your heart since childhood, a passion that fuels your creativity and innovation, or a promise you made to yourself to never settle for anything less than extraordinary. But regardless of what your why is, the most important thing is that you embrace it fully and unapologetically. Let your why be your compass in life, guiding every decision and action you take. Let it be the fuel that propels you forward, even when obstacles seem insurmountable. In times of doubt or adversity, connect your why, remind yourself of the purpose behind your efforts, and let it reignite the fire within you. Embrace the challenges as opportunities for growth, knowing that each step you take is a testament to your unwavering commitment to your why. Take the time to explore what truly motivates you, what gives your life meaning and significance. Embrace your why with courage and conviction, and let it inspire you to reach new heights and achieve greatness. It's important to understand that your why can evolve over time. What once drove us might shift us as we grow, learn, and experience new things. Embracing this evolution is essential for personal growth and fulfillment. Sometimes discovering your why requires introspection and courage. It might mean stepping outside your comfort zone, confronting fears, or reevaluating long-held beliefs. But through this process, you'll uncover deeper truths about yourself and what truly matters to you. I encourage each of you to take a moment to consider what your why means to you today. What ignites that spark within your soul? What aspirations do you hold dear? And most importantly, can you align your daily actions with your deepest values and ambitions? When you live in alignment with your why, every challenge becomes an opportunity, every setback a lesson, and every success a testament to your unwavering dedication. You'll find a renewed sense of purpose and joy in your endeavors, knowing that you're living authentically and with intention. Our individual whys are interconnected as we pursue our personal dreams and ambitions. We contribute to something greater than ourselves, a collective tapestry of purpose that enriches our communities and the world at large. Imagine a world where everyone lives in alignment with their deepest why, where passion and purpose are the guiding forces behind every action, decision, and interaction. This is a world where individuals are not just existing but thriving, making meaningful contributions and leaving indelible marks on the fabric of humanity. Your why is your unique contribution to this grand tapestry of existence. It's your gift to the world, waiting to be unwrapped and shared with enthusiasm and authenticity. But discovering your why is just the beginning. The true magic lies in the commitment to live out that purpose every single day. It requires courage to pursue your dreams, resilience to overcome obstacles, and humility to learn and grow along the way. When challenges arise, and they will, remember your why. Let it be the beacon that guides you through uncertainty and adversity. Hold fast to your convictions and stay true to your values, for they are the pillars upon which your why stands strong. And when you achieve success, as you surely will, let your why humble you and remind you of the journey that brought you here. Share your triumphs with others, for by doing so, you inspire them to seek out their own whys and embark on their own transformative journeys. Dare to dream big. Pursue your passions with unwavering determination, and never lose sight of the impact you are capable of making in this world. May your why be the compass that guides you towards a life filled with meaning, fulfillment, and joy. And may we all contribute to a brighter future, fueled by the collective power of purpose-driven individuals. Remember, your why is not just a question. It's the key to unlocking your fullest potential. So let your why guide you, empower you, and lead you towards a future filled with purpose and fulfillment.